Panic gripped Alaska's southern coast as a powerful 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck offshore on Wednesday, triggering tsunami warnings and sending thousands scrambling to higher ground. The quake hit at 12:37 p.m. local time, just south of Sandpoint, a small island community in the Aleutian chain. Within moments, sirens rang out across a 700-mile stretch of coastline, warning residents of a possible tsunami. Towns from Homer to Unimak Pass were placed on high alert. Jeremy Zidek, spokesperson for Alaska's Emergency Management Division, said they were treating the quake seriously and ensuring all communities were notified to activate their evacuation plans. In Anchorage, nearly 600 miles away, buildings trembled as shockwaves traveled through the earth. But just over 2 hours later, the National Tsunami Warning Center canceled the warning. The highest water rise recorded was only 2.5 inches in Sandpoint. Sandpoint Police Chief Benjamin Allen reported no damage at the airport or harbor. He said there was no real damage to speak of. Still, the earthquake rattled some local businesses. At the Alaska Commercial General Store, broken glass and spilled condiments littered the floor. Manager Vicki McDonald said half the alcohol aisle had crashed and shattered, creating a horrendous smell. In Unalaska, King Cove, and Seward, evacuation alerts were issued. Tourists and locals moved quick. In Seward, Jody Stevens and her husband were visiting the Alaska Sea Life Center when they were told to evacuate. They walked several blocks uphill in the rain before hearing the all-clear siren. The National Weather Service confirmed there was no tsunami threat for other parts of North America, including Washington, Oregon, and California. Alaska's southern coast is no stranger to seismic activity. State seismologist Michael West noted this was the 5th earthquake over magnitude 7 in the same area since 2020. He emphasized that this was not an isolated event, but part of a larger seismic sequence over several years. The region remains capable of generating larger earthquakes and potentially devastating tsunamis. This latest quake was a stark reminder that in Alaska, the ground is always moving and residents must always be ready.